You were told something since childhood. Work hard, study hard, give everything you have, and success will follow. But here's what nobody told you. That advice was never meant to make you rich. It was meant to make someone else rich. Think about the hardest working people you know. The construction worker, the factory worker, the farmer. They wake up before sunrise. They work until their body breaks. Are they rich? Now think about the people who own the construction company, the factory, the farm. How many hours are they working compared to the guy on the ground? Hard work and wealth are not the same thing. They never were. Here's what's actually happening. When you work hard for someone else, you trade time for money. Your time has a ceiling, 24 hours. That's it. No matter how hard you work, you cannot break that ceiling. But the person who owns the business, they don't trade time for money. They build systems that make money while they sleep. Your parents taught you to be a good worker because that's what they were taught by their parents, who were taught by theirs. This belief has been passed down for generations, not because it creates wealth, but because the economy needs workers to function. Somebody has to do the work. They just made sure it wouldn't be them. So what actually builds wealth? 3 things. 1. Ownership. Owning something that generates value without you physically being there. A business, content, real estate, a product. When you own the output, you break the time ceiling. 2. Leverage. Using other people's time, money, or skills to multiply your output. One person working alone has limited reach. One person with leverage can impact thousands. 3. Value, not effort. The market doesn't pay for how hard you worked. It pays for how much value you created. A video that took 2 hours to make can earn more than a month of manual labor if it solves the right problem for the right person. Hard work is not the enemy, but hard work without these 3 things is just exhaustion. Your parents didn't lie to hurt you. They told you what they knew. But what they knew was designed for a different world, a world where a job was enough. That world is gone. The question now is simple. Are you going to keep running on the treadmill? Or are you going to build the treadmill? If this shifted something in your thinking, subscribe. Because this is what Stick Explains is here for. The things school never taught you about money.